Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Fastrack Reflex 3.0 Unisex Activity Tracker. There is a transparent window over here. You can see what the activity tracker looks like. You can see it says over here play more, track more. Over here we have some specifications. This comes with 10 plus sports modes and tracker, full touch color display, two-tone design. It has stylish watch faces, up to 10 days of battery life, IP68 water resistant, heart rate monitor. It gets notification alerts as well. It also comes with camera control and find your phone options. Now let's open this box and take a look at the activity tracker. So these are the contents of the box. This is a user manual, I think. This seems to be the charging dock for this particular smartwatch. Sorry, fitness band. Not a smartwatch, it's a fitness band. There you are. This is the charging dock with the USB-A connector on one end for this particular fitness band. Now let's take a look at the fitness band itself. The silicone straps are very soft and flexible. However, they are not easily breakable. They look pretty tough. There is a dual color scheme going on over here. There is the black and the light blue over here. And there's also this ergonomic design that comes with it. I just need to figure out how to start this device. Let's wear and see if I can start this device. So there we are. I have put on the smartwatch and I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist. So there you go, this is what it looks like on my wrist. It's not on yet, which leads me to believe this particular smartwatch has no charge right now. But this is it. This is what you find inside this box, the box containing the Fastrack Reflex 3.0 Unisex Activity Tracker.